DXYZ Stock tomorrow. Is it a buy or not? Let's see where is Destiny Tech 100 stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. So 32% down, did exactly what I expected. Now, before I get into the details, just for context, I'm using my strategy that has previously given me thousands of wins 2023. And for what you saw on the chart, like I have everything documented, by the way. Like before I get any further, I have everything documented. Everything's proof on my YouTube channel. But from a discretion standpoint of view, and doing this thousands and thousands of times, 20,000 times to be exact, over the last 4 years, the price has gone down. Like I said, even if it started going up, I was not willing to take it higher, but it didn't. What I'm really waiting for right now is the same exact thing, which is just a double break. Last thing that I'm doing is just blindly be like, I'm not just gonna blindly be bullish here and put a bullish opportunity. No, what I want to see is a double break, double bullish momentum, and how's that gonna look like? Just a double breaks from here, like simple as that. And only then I'm willing to really take it higher. And when I say higher, like to the highs that we have here, so it's not financial advice. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.